Hi guys, in this video we will explore the roles of data analysts and data engineers and then determine whether a data analyst that can perform the tasks of a data engineer can be classified as a data engineer. Before we answer the question, let's first understand the roles of data analysts and data engineers. A data analyst is responsible for analyzing and interpreting large amounts of data and then identifying patterns, trends, and insights from these data sets. They are responsible for collecting, processing, and also performing statistical analysis on data to drive business decisions. On the other hand, a data engineer designs, develops, and also maintains the infrastructure that is needed for the collection, storage, and processing of large amounts of data. Although data analysts and data engineers have different responsibilities, there are areas where their duties overlap. For example, a data analyst may need to develop an ETL pipeline to clean and prepare data for analysis. Similarly, a data engineer may need to work with the data analyst to develop data models and also to develop dashboards. So can a data analyst who performs a data engineering task be called a data engineer? The answer is no and yes at the same time. No, in the sense that it depends on your knowledge. A data engineer should know more software engineering concepts, whereas a data analyst, if you can learn all these concepts and master them very well, you can start applying as a data engineer. Also, from my experience, I would say you need to be a data analyst for a long period of time, and not just being a data analyst creating dashboards. You must be able to get your hands dirty and be able to learn. For example, you need to know how to use Python, you need to know how to perform ETL, and you need to understand different concepts of data engineering like batch processing, data streaming, cluster computing, and so on. Also, you need to understand how to use different ETL tools and also how to understand data warehousing concepts. So my opinion is this: if you're a data analyst and you've been doing tasks and duties of a data engineer, I would advise you to start looking at applying for junior data engineering roles. Also, being a data analyst is not just being a data analyst for 1 year or 2 years. I would advise you be a data analyst for a few years and then look into moving into data engineering. I don't really think someone can actually be a data engineer from boot camps or just studying online by yourself, but I think it's achievable being a data analyst first and then transition into data engineering. Guys, let me know your thoughts. If you're a data analyst that want to transition into a data engineer, or if you've already done that before, please let me know how you did it, and also share your thoughts. If I got anything wrong in this video, I'm open for conversation. Thank you.